What is going on, guys? Deepdown here. Welcome to the video. And what a year 2017 has been for me. It's been the year I decided to make the change from gaming, which was for the longest time under Deepdown272 was my original name, and then I transitioned from gaming to automotive diesel truck performance, and what a leap that has been. Not many people make that leap, and I have done it, and I love it. You know, it has been so awesome being here, you know, with the new community I am, with some of the old ones, but mainly the new one. It is so awesome. I've discovered awesome mentors this year. Greg A, Dirty Max Jack, really started to follow Street Speed 717. You know, awesome dudes who I've actually talked with quite a bit behind the scenes. And, you know, it's just been what a year. Crazy year for me. And I thought I'd make this video here going through different stages from the beginning to the end of 2017. I know this video is a little late, but I wanted to get through entire 2017 because there could have been a video yesterday, but it didn't happen. But, you know, so here we go, guys, and I'll say something before we leave. Yep, one of the best villages on Minecraft. Hi guys, it's Deepdown272 back here with another video where we're gonna watch this thing get destroyed. Sorry guys, I don't know, controller's broken. Oh damn! Oh damn! Oh damn! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh. And the man here with a update. Guys, it's Dan the Man here, back with another video. Today we're talking about my new 6.0. And this happened. Now, if you actually go.
Hey, we're gone! Okay! Danny ripped the hood off. Hey, Danny! I got it! I would stop pulling! Oh, you fucking idiot! Oh, stop pulling! I'm pretty sure he fucked up the hood.
Oh, excuse me. Welcome and good night.
This is PowerstrokeMatt, and this is, what are you going by these days? Fighter 377 or Miata Boy?
I fucking Dick Miata Boy.
Can't die tonight. We're so alive, singing. We own the night. We own the night. We call you rise. With you, we never die.
That's probably been one of the longest times I've ever had to sit down and edit a video for you guys, but it was worth it. And I'll tell you why it was worth it. It was worth it to see myself change through all the years. I got a lot of shit coming, a lot of shit happened. I got my truck, I got my license, I did a lot of shit with the truck this year on a budget. I'm still on that budget in 2018, but hopefully the budget can get bigger. You know, we can actually build it into something cool. I'm also looking back, I see how I've changed as a person. You guys saw, the first clip was a Minecraft video. My last gaming video I ever recorded, for now anyways. And I used to be the fat gamer, the fat kid gamer. And I'm so happy I have dove into this diesel world, because it's changed me as a person, you know. I'm not sitting in this chair except when I'm editing now as much. With it being cold and stuff, I am hopping back on, playing with some friends now and then, but I've changed as a person. I've cared more about how I look. You know, I've lost tons of weight considering how I started this year out, and I think 2018 will be even a better year. Hopefully, maybe get some performance mods done to the 6.0, so, you know, make it look meaner, sound meaner, go meaner, and maybe some other shit will happen. I don't know, guys. Who knows what 2018 will bring? All I know is I got shit stirring, and let's make 2018 the best year yet. I'm going to leave you guys with some of my best cold starts. And it's Mr. Fighter 377.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
I guess he'll be here as well for the next year. Wasn't too sure about that.
Talking about bullshit.
See you guys in the next one.